Today, we will observe market structure in close action and talk about how to trade weak or strong markets. We will discover how to find entry locations with our best trading view indicator. Furthermore, we will also learn how to make entries or use other methods to catch trades. If you are good to go, it is time to start now. Let's talk about liquidity. This is one of the most common questions I get asked all the time. By now, you probably learned how to identify important liquidity levels, things like hourly candle highs or lows, maybe the daily, weekly, or monthly highs or lows. You also seen setups like equal lows or relative highs or lows. Now, the next big question we should ask is, let's say that significant liquidity level is hunted. What happens next? What should we be paying attention to? And what kind of price action should we be watching for? Once a major liquidity level is taken out, the first thing you should do is just wait a bit. Take a step back and watch the price and really observe what is really going on here. See how the market reacts right after the liquidity hunt. Usually, there are two possible outcomes. Either the move continues in the same direction or it reverses. For example, if the price struggles to push back up and can't make any meaningful break of structures, what we call a market structure break, that liquidity level often turns into a new support and resistance flip zone, and the move just keeps going on in the same direction. On the flip side, if the price jumps back in and starts break-off structures or creating new market structure breaks, that's usually a sign of a reversal forming. And this is exactly why it's so important to wait a little bit after a liquidity hunt before jumping in. We need that extra time to see what the market really wants to do. Because honestly, no one in the world can know for sure what will happen right after a liquidity hunt. Now let's take a look at this Ethereum chart. Ethereum had a really significant liquidity level here. We are talking about 4-hour candle low level, also the previous week's low level, and there is relatively significant equal lows around this area. So overall, we had a bunch of liquidity levels lining up, and the price hunted this zone with a really strong and fast move. Now the question is, what usually happens after a liquidity hunt like this? If you look closely, the market structure breaks on this lower time frame. Then the price makes a little pullback into this inner BPR area. After that, it runs back up toward this inner equal highs level above, which becomes our clear target. If you zoom in on this area, you can actually see the price action very clearly. It is not complicated at all. In fact, this is one of the core setups combining smart money concepts and basic price action. That is why it's important to watch how the price behaves after major liquidity hunts. You want to see whether it keeps following the existing trend or starts breaking structure and signaling a possible reversal. Okay folks, have a great and lovely day. Please stay safe and see you soon. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.